Hey guys, welcome back to another video, another day, another vlogmas video. It's vlogmas day number, I think this is going to be vlogmas day number 21 or 22, I'm not sure, but today is December 20 and it is snowing outside, guys. It's so beautiful. The snow, like I'm standing here looking through my window. It's snowing, the snowflakes coming down, the Christmas trees right there. It's lit straight from a movie. It's so beautiful. I wish I could show you, but of course I am not going to show you outside my window, but stunning, so beautiful, straight from a cheesy Christmas movie that I love. But today I am actually dressed and ready to go into the city. I'm going to New York right now actually, so I'm dressed. I have how many layers of clothes? I have 1, 2, 3 layers, 2 layers on my legs, and I'm going to put my coat on, of course, because it's cold outside. And this is going to be my first snow day out and about, so of course I don't know what to expect, so I'm kind of making sure I'm warm. I'm going to bring gloves and also my scarf, and as you can see I have my beanie on. I just want to do touristy, cheesy, corny New York things today. So yeah, and guess how I'm going to New York today? Guess my mode of transportation. I'm going to be taking the train for the first time. Well, not the first time. I came to New York in 2021, I think. Yeah, in 2021, and I did take the subway in 2021. So yeah, this is going to be my first time taking it from Jersey, going into the city and trying to figure out everything. But what I'm going to do is put my location in maps and figure out what train to take from where and get into the city. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. If you are new over here, welcome to my channel. I am Alicia Kim. Sit back, relax, enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to get caught up with some older videos so we can become more familiar with each other. And to my big crew, go on, you know I love you already, right? But the good thing is I could use my bank card and I just scanned that to come on this train, and then I have another train to jump on to head to where I'm going. I'm heading to Bryant, by the way, so it's kind of hectic, and it's only hectic maybe because I'm not used to it, so I have to jump off one train, jump on the next train. I literally came on this one when it was saying stand clear of the closing door. I'm like, catching this one, so I jumped on, but I assume they come like 5 minutes, 10 minutes in between. But yeah, I'm on the train and I'm just waiting on my stop so that I can go on another one. I'm now such a, oh, this is my stop. I'm such an up north girly. I'm a little tote bag with all my little necessities on the train. Catch you on the next train.
This is the train to 33rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
So now I have one more train to take. I'm going to hop on that. No. So I'm going to take the F train and it's coming in 2 minutes. and I'm going to be coming off at Bryant Park. This one is a packed one, so I'm standing on this train, but I'm coming off on the next stop, so not that bad, but yeah, real city girl, like standing in the train like it's in a bus in Jamaica. So yeah, I'm coming off at the next stop, and that will take me into Bryant Park. Not that bad, to be honest. I made it to Bryant Park. That wasn't so bad. It's after 5 p.m. so you already know it's going to be dark, but I'm still going to explore and see what there is to do over here today. A lot of people out here, a lot of people coming in, so let's go explore. But the train ride, it wasn't bad at all. Just I had to hop on a few different trains, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't inconvenient, and the good thing is I don't have to worry about parking. That is the best thing ever. This is Bryant Park's Winter Village, and so far it seems to be a lot of like gift shops, different gift shops, a lot of food stalls and things like that so far. So I'm just going to show you so you can see what I'm experiencing as I'm experiencing.
Beeswax. Y'all want to try out the candles? Can I borrow a candle?
Huh?
Check it out. Take a dip right in the candle. It is lotion.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Tell me about it.
It smells
dip
good.
right inside. That's my favorite.
So
over there.
when you say it's a body lotion candle, you burn it and then use it on your body?
It feels fantastic, yeah.
That's
yeah,
unique.
yeah. It feels so good.
Which one is this? Which one is this?
It's Joy, grapefruit, cedarwood, and mint.
Okay.
Most popular right now.
Ornaments on it. eventually I could go skating, but I don't want to drop. So it's nice to watch though. Eventually I think I'll take some lessons. So next year I'll be out here. I'm going to get some hot chocolate. This place has Oreo, gingerbread, mint, tiramisu, marshmallow hot chocolate. So a lot of options. I think I'm going to get the gingerbread. It's getting chilly. I'm waiting on my hot chocolate and watching the ice skating at the same time. But it's very packed out here, and you can see that there's a lot of tourists. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is the gingerbread hot chocolate with pink marshmallows. So pretty.
Where did you get this?
In here. Very pretty, but very costly. This was $12
I'm standing.
for all the shenanigans, but it's all about the vibes, right?
I picked the chicken. And I picked the Korean.
I think.
Guys, look at that building with the red and green for Christmas. So unique, right? Look. So pretty. These little mugs are so cute, and you know I'm a mug girl. No. So pretty. Oh, there's a gingerbread.
Hello.
Hi, they're so cute.
Thank you.
The nightly news is out here, guys. Do you recognize anybody? I don't recognize anyone, but I guess she's the anchor. He said I can come around and take a shot from the back.
Just come inside.
Oh, I can come in? Oh, I'm getting the exclusive access.
Here's your shot right here.
So this is NBC Nightly News.
Yeah.
You're on it too?
Yeah.
What's your name?
It's like the number one.
Oh, number one news.
Oh, you're gonna take care. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, how are
She
you?
wants to get some nice shots.
Yeah. Jamaica.
Jamaica, let's get something.
Yeah. Say big up.
Me go.
Me and the Nightly News crew hanging out.
I
Yeah.
was my key and fish.
I can't fish.
I did Jamaica. I worked in Jamaica back in the 70s.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I did a documentary back when Manly. Manly was a thing long
Yeah.
before you were born.
Yeah.
And I remember going to Jamaican house with Third World, and they rolled the split that was so big.
Oh,
I
so-
love Jamaica.
It's nice. So you guys are covering what's going on in Bryant Park.
No, there was somebody who drove to kill some people in Germany.
Oh.
So this is about being protected during the Christmas day. This is,
Oh, the
this
special,
is
like a,
yeah, this is
got it.
this is network news. So this is like like big big stuff.
Just came back from New York, guys. Look at my vehicle. Look at the snow. Look, child. It's a good amount too.